Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 40 to the power of 80 divided by 80 to the power of 40. So we write this into the simplified form. So now here in this question we will solve this problem with two methods. So that here first we will discuss our method number one. Okay. So in first method, here we will just break the exponent, that is 80. So here you see that when we break this 80, we rewrite it as 40 to the power of, we write this 80 as 40 plus 40, and it is divided by 80 to the power of 40. Okay, so further here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so it means that we will show all of the working here. Now we move forward, and here we can use the exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we will break these exponents, and it will be written as 40 to the power of 40 multiplied by 40 to the power of 40, and it is divided by 80 to the power of 40. Okay, so now here in the next step, we rewrite this expression as in this form. We write it as 40 to the power of 40 divided by 80 to the power of 40, and here it is multiplied by 40 to the power of 40. Okay, so now here we use another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, then we write it as a over b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, we just combine the exponents of these two terms, and when we combine the exponents of these two terms, it will be written as 40 over 80, and its whole exponent is 40, and it is multiplied by 40 to the power of 40. Okay, so here we need more simplification. You see here the 0 is cancelled out by 0, and 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are 8. So we will get here 1 over 2 to the power of 40, and it is multiplied by 40 to the power of 40. So here we use here another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m, then we write it as a multiplied by b, and its whole exponent is m. So if you have different bases and same exponents, then we combine these exponents in this way. Okay, so according to this rule, we will combine the exponents of these two terms, and it will be written as 1 over 2 multiplied by 40. These are the two bases, and we combine the exponent, and its exponent is 40. Okay, so now here in the next step, you see that this is 2 times of 2 is 4 and 0. So we will get here 20 and to the power of 40. So that from first method we will calculate the simplified form of 40 to the power of 80 divided by 80 to the power of 40 is equals to 20 to the power of 40. Okay, this is the final answer of this question from method number one. And now here we move towards our second method. So now in second method, here we will just first copy down the given question statement here. So that given question statement is 40 to the power of 80 divided by 80 to the power of 40. This is our question statement, and now we again solve this problem by second method. So in second method, here we need to focus in the denominator base, so that the denominator base is 80. So we rewrite it as this is 40 to the power of 80 divided by this is 80, and we write this 80 as 2 times of 40. 2 times of 40 becomes this 80, and its exponent is 40. So here we use this exponent law. If we have a multiplied by b and its exponent is m, we write it as a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, we will apply this exponent separately on these two terms, and it will be written as 40 to the power of 80 divided by 2 to the power of 40 multiplied by 40 to the power of 40. Okay, so here we will apply here another exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m, here you see that if you have these two bases are same but its exponents are different, and these two values are divided by each other, then we will subtract the exponent from numerator term to the denominator term, and it will be written as a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so here according to this law, we first write this into the simplified form. So we write it as 40 to the power of 80 divided by 40 to the power of 40, and it is multiplied by 1 over 2 to the power of 40. So here we are ready to apply this exponent law. So according to this, you see here these two bases are same but its exponents are different. So we move this exponent 40 to the upsides, and it will be written as 40 to the power of 80 minus 40, and it is multiplied by 1 over 2 to the power of 40. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as 40 to the power of 80 minus 40 becomes 40, and it is multiplied by 1 over 2 to the power of 40. So here we can apply this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, so we write it as a over b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, here we will just combine the exponents of these two terms, and it will be written as 40 over 2, and its exponent is again 40. So here, because we will write the answer of this question into the simplified form, so that here you see that these two values are cancelled by each other. Then you see here this is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here this is 0. So this is equals to 20 to the power of 40. So finally we write our given expression into the simplified form is 40 to the power of 80 divided by 80 to the power of 40 is equals to 20 to the power of 40. So this is the final answer of this question. So you see here answer on both methods are same. So I hope so you like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.